हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ऑल टू दिस चैनल डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ये वीडियो रे आमे सबू प्रोज तुमर जहाँ रही तीनोटी प्रोज ए लेटर टू गॉड एट द हाई स्कूल एंड फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया यही तीनोटी प्रोज रु जहाँ तुम परीक्षा दर्पण रही ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन ताको डिस्कशन करवा वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट वीडियो समस्त मैट्रिक स्टूडेंट्स मानी आगुरी वीडियो अपलोड होती नोट अपलोड होती तुम्हें समस्ते वीडियो देखा सहित नोट डाउनलोड कर तुमको निश्चित भाव में परीक्षा बेले क्विक रिविजन करिवारे हेल्पफुल हेबो। तो समस्त लास्ट पर्यंत शुण बा देख निश्चित भाव में मन रही। ओके, फास्ट टाइम पढ़ा ए लेटर टू गॉड। नंबर 1, फ्रॉम लेंचोस हाउस one would see the dash and the field of ripe corn dotted with flowers. Answer C, the river. Number 2, throughout morning Lencho saw the sky towards dash. Option A, the northeast. Number 3, who said yes, God willing? Answer C, Lencho's wife. Number 4, when Lencho's wife called her children to have dinner, the older children were dash. Answer option B, working in the field. Number 5, Lencho came out of leaving his dinner to dash. Answer option C, to enjoy and feel the rain on his body. Number 6, Lencho considered the raindrops as dash. Answer option D, new coins. Number 7, the big drops of rain are treated as dash. Option B, 10 cents. Number 8, the hail rained for dash on the entire valley. Answer option A, 1 hour. Next, number 9, it is really getting bad. Who said this? Answer B, Lencho. Number 10, standing dash, Lencho said a plague of locusts would have left more than this. Answer option D, in the middle of the field. Number 11, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. Whom did Lencho say this? Answer option D, to his sons. Number 12, all through the night Lencho thought only of one hope, the help from God. It was dash night. Answer option B, Saturday's night. Okay. Number 13, the solitary house of Lencho on the top of the low hill was found dash. Answer option C, in the middle of the valley. Number 14, Lencho's cornfield with its flowers under the clouds seemed white as if covered with dash. Answer option C, a cotton of rain. Number 15, Lencho was an ox of a man. Here an ox of a man means dash. Answer option D, he was hardworking. Number 16, Lencho wrote a letter the following Sunday dash. Answer option A, at daybreak. Okay. Number 17, after the hailstorm the field looked white as if dash. Answer option B, covered with salt. Number 18, in the line hearts of all refers to dash in the story a letter to God. Answer option D, all the family members. Number 19, in the story a letter to God the small children played dash. Answer option C, until their mother called them to have dinner. Number 20, Joel Fuentes started writing stories at the age of dash. Answer option B, 15. 21, Joel Fuentes was awarded National Prize of Arts and Science in dash. Answer option A, 1935. 22, Joel Fuentes died in the year dash. Answer option C, 1966. Okay. 23, Fuentes was born in the year dash. Answer A, 1895. 24, the hailstones resembled dash. Answer option C, new silver coins. 25, God sees everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. The online word means dash. Conscience माने कौन? Option D, an inner sense of right or wrong. Okay. 26, although the postmaster broke out laughing, he was surprised to see dash. Answer option C, Lencho's faith in God. 27, What was postman's resolution for Lencho? Answer option D. To answer Lencho's letter with money. 28. Who collected the last letter of Lencho from the mailbox? Answer option B. The postmaster. Okay. The word pesos means dash. Answer option C. Currency of several Latin American countries. Number 30. The postman expressed his contentment online ହେଇଛି the opposite meaning ପିଲାମାନେ ରଖ opposite meaning ଅଛି କ'ଣ of the online word is dash. Answer ହେବ C. Dissatisfaction. 31. A violent tropical storm with very strong winds is called dash. Answer option A. Typhoon. 32. A violent tropical storm in which strong winds move in a circle is called dash. Answer option C. Cyclone. 33. Lencho's family lived in a dash house in the middle of the valley. Answer option B. Solitary. 34. Lencho was upset online ହେଇଛି for the total loss. The online word means dash. Answer B. Disturbed. Okay. Next. 35. A violent storm whose center is a cloud in the shape of a funnel is called dash. Answer option A. Tornado. 36. I often go to Mumbai. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. Which one of the combination of the two sentences given above? Answer is option A. ठीक अच्छे. Okay. I often go to Mumbai, comma, which is the commercial capital of India. 37. The postman saw the address to God for the first time in his life. Which one of the following sentence is correct with negative emphasis? So answer होगा option A. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address. Okay. 38. An act of writing letters online is better than the act of sending messages through mobile phone. Replace the online word with its single word. Answer of option D. Correspondence. 39. What did Lencho do in the post office when he visited the post office for the second time? Answer is option C. He asked for paper and ink. एठी तुम परीक्षा दर्पण 39 ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस डिस्कशन हे गला. चैप्टर ना थिला ए लेटर टू गॉड. तुमे चाहिले आउतरे सुनी की इजीली मन रखी पारिबो. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर पढिबा जार ना होची एट द हाई स्कूल. ठीक अछि. समस्त लास्ट पर्यंत मन दे सुनो. एट द हाई स्कूल ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन बर्तमान डिस्कशन करबा. समस्त मन दे सुनिबा. नंबर 1. MK गांधी इज पॉपुलरली कॉल्ड एज डैश. आंसर ऑप्शन बी. फादर ऑफ द नेशन. Number 2. Gandhi received his yearly education at dash. Answer option C. Rajkot English School. Number 3. Gandhi matriculated in the year dash. Answer option C. 1887. Number 4. Gandhi's autobiography is dash. Answer option A. My Experiments with Truth. Number 5. Gandhi was not regarded as dash at the high school. Answer option B. A fool. Okay. Number 6. He always enjoyed the dash of his teachers. Answer option C. Affection. Number 7. What used to be sent to the parents every year? Answer option D. Certificates of progress and character. Number 8. He won prizes after he passed out of the dash standard. Answer option D. Second. Number 9. In which standard did he obtain scholarships? Answer option D. 5th and 6th. Number 10. He obtained a scholarship of rupees dash when he was in 5th standard. Answer option A. 4. Okay. Number 11. Gandhi thanked dash more than his merit. Answer option D. His good luck. Very important question. Number 12. How did he react whenever he won prizes and scholarships? Answer option D. Astonished. Number 13. He did not have high regard for his dash. Answer ability option D. Okay. Number 14. He very jealously guarded his dash. Answer option D. Character. Number 15. The least little dash would draw tears from his eyes. Answer D. Blemish. 16. In which standard did he receive corporal punishment? Answer D. First or second. Who was Gandhi's headmaster? Answer is option B. Dorabji Idolji Jimmy. 18. Mr. Jimmy made dash and dash compulsory for the boys of upper standard. Answer option C. Gymnastics and cricket. What was the reason for his aloofness from games and sports? Answer is C. Shyness. Number 20. He had the false notion that dash had nothing to do with education. Answer is option D. Gymnastics. Okay. But 21 देखिबा. What was Gandhi's later views on gymnastics? Answer is option C. Physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. 22. What was the special reason for dislike for games and sports? Answer is option A. His service to his father. 23. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of this service. This service online hichi. What does this online expression mean? Answer option B. Service towards his father. 24. On which day was Gandhi late for gymnastics class? Answer option D. Saturday. I had no watch and the dash deceived me. Answer option D. Clouds. Who marked Gandhi absent while examining the roll? Answer B. His headmaster. 27. How much money was Gandhi fined for not attending gymnastics class? Answer option C. 1 or 2 onaj. 28. Gandhi was convicted of dash. Answer option B. Lying. Okay. 29. That deeply pained me. That deeply pained me online hichi dikpartibo. What does the underlying expression mean? Answer A. False accusation as a liar. Okay. 30. Gandhi cried in deep dash. Answer option C. Anguish. 31. Gandhi finally succeeded in getting the fine dash. Option C. Remitted. 32. I am still paying the penalty of another neglect. Another neglect online hichi. What does the online expression mean? Answer option C. Neglect of handwriting. Okay. 33. What was his false notion about handwriting? Okay. Answer is option D. Good handwriting was not a necessary part of education. 34. He retained his false notion about handwriting till he went to dash. Answer option B. England. 35. Where did he see the beautiful handwriting of lawyers and young men? Answer option B. South Africa. Okay, option B. South Africa. 36. I was ashamed of myself and repented of my neglect. Neglect online hichi. What does the online expression mean? Answer hochi option C. Okay. Neglect of handwriting. 37. Bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of dash. Answer option B. Imperfect education. 38. I tried to improve mine, but it was too late. The word mine in this sentence referred to dash. Answer option A. Handwriting. Spelling bulochi HAND. Handwriting. Okay. 39. Children should first be taught the art of dash before learning to write. Answer option D. Drawing. Okay. Let the child learn his letters by dash of different objects of nature. Answer is C. Observation. 41. Which subject proved a harder task for Gandhi? Answer C. Sanskrit. 42. There was nothing to memorize in dash. Option B. Geometry. 43. In Sanskrit everything had to be learned dash heart. Yes, option C. By heart. 44 question. This subject comments from the 4th standard. Which subject does it mean? Answer option B. Sanskrit. When Gandhi entered the 6th standard, he became dash. Answer option C. Disheartened. 46. A person who imposes a harsh workload on someone is called a dash. Answer option D. Hard taskmaster. Okay. Then 47. A person who makes others obey his orders is called dash. Answer B. A disciplinarian. 48. There was a sort of dash going on between the Sanskrit and Persian teacher. Answer option C. Rivalry. 49. The Persian teacher was not strict. Not strict online ହେଇଛି. Substitute a single word for the online part. Answer B. Lenient. Number 50. Who was a hard taskmaster? Answer option A. Sanskrit teacher. 51. How did the Sanskrit teacher react when he knew that Gandhi sat in the Persian class? Okay, answer above option C. Grieved. 52. Would not you learn the language of your own religion? What religion does it mean here? Answer option A. Vaishnava. 53. As you proceeded further, you will find things of dash interest. Option B. Observing interest. 54. This kind put me to shame. Whose kindness does it mean here? Answer D. Sanskrit teachers. 55. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Which teacher does it mean here? Answer option C. Sanskrit. Okay. 56. Mr. Krishna Shankar Pandya was Gandhi's dash teacher. Answer option C. Sanskrit teacher. Okay. 57. I deeply regret that I was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of the language. Which language does it mean? Yes, answer option B. Sanskrit. 58. A course of study in a school or college is dash. Answer option B. Curriculum. 59. The Persian teacher was very dash. Put the correct form of consider. Answer C. Considerate. Vicharashila. Okay. 60. Charities are exempted dash paying tax. Option C. From. 61. I was none of the words dash having neglected exercise. None of the words for. Okay. 62. Gandhi was convicted dash lying. Answer B. Of. Okay. The soul is not mortal. Substitute is word for the online word. Answer option B. Immortal. The boy was not motivated. Substitute a word for the online word. Answer option C. Demotivated. Ravi dash home by the time I arrived. Answer option D. Had gone. He suddenly realized that he dashed his laptop on the train. Answer option B. Had left. Okay. 67. If I had seen you, I dash you to my party. Answer option D. Okay, पढ़ाई चाहिए तुम्हें देखना वीडियो. Would have invited. 68. If Shubhra dash much, she would have had a lot of bank balance. Answer option C. Had not spent. Okay, ताले आमे at the high school रो मध्य object discussion कले. बर्तमान आमे चलो discussion करिबा. तुम्हारा last prose festivals of Northeast India. Okay, let's listen. बर्तमान आम डिस्कसन करिबा फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया चैप्टर रो ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन तुम परीक्षा दर्पण बहिरु. ओके, समस्त मन दे सुनिबा लास्ट पर्यंत. नंबर 1. द कलेक्टिव नेम फॉर द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया इज नोन एज डैश. ऑप्शन सी. नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. नंबर 2. द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन ऑफ इंडिया कंसिस्ट ऑफ डैश स्टेट्स. आंसर 8. Number 3. The contiguous 7 states are known as land of dash. Option D which answer 7 sisters. Number 4. Which northeast state is not geographically a contiguous state? Answer option D. Okay, Sikkim. Number 5. Which state is not included among 7 sisters? Answer option B. Sikkim. Okay. Number 6. Which state plays the role of a little brother to the 7 sisters? Answer option A. Sikkim. Number 7. People of the Northeast India celebrate their festivals with traditional dance and dash. Answer option D. Music. Number 8. Many of the Northeast festivals are based on dash. Answer option B. Agriculture. Number 9. Celebration of festivals is not complete without traditional dance and music. Answer dance. Okay. Number 10. The people of Assam are blessed with dash. Answer number D. Lush greenery and the Brahmaputra. Number 11. The important festivals of Assam are dash. Answer option A. Bihu festivals. Number 12. Bihu festivals are of dash kinds. Answer option C. 3. Number 13. Bihu festivals are Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and dash. Answer option C. Bhogali Bihu. Okay. Number 14. Which Bihu festival is known as Bohag Bihu? Answer option D. Rongali. Okay. Number 15. In which Bihu festival do people light lamps and pray to God for good harvest? Answer option B. Kati Bihu. Number 16. Which Bihu festival symbolizes the end of the harvest season? Answer option C. Bhogali Bihu. Number 17. Bihu celebration is incomplete without melodious folk songs and traditional dance. Answer option D. Dance. Traditional dance. Answer option D. Dance. Okay. Number 18. The young people in Assam dance during Bihu with dance. Answer D. Brisk steps and hand movement. Number 19. Which musical instruments are played during Bihu dance? Answer option D. All the above. Option A, B, C sabu tenu answer abo option D. All the above. Okay. Number 20. Arunachal Pradesh is situated in the dash regions of the Himalayas. Answer option A. Mountain. Okay. Number 21. What makes Arunachal Pradesh so beautiful? Answer option D. Green paddy field and pine-clad mountains. 22. Which festival in Arunachal Pradesh marks the new year? Answer option B. Losar festival. Okay. 23. To welcome the new year, the people of Arunachal Pradesh dash. Answer option D. Clean their homes and discard the old. 24. Mopin festival is celebrated in dash. Answer A. Arunachal Pradesh. 25. Mopin festival is celebrated by the dash. Answer option A. Galo tribes. 26. People celebrate the Mopin festival as the dash. Answer option C. Harvest festival. 27. Which dance is performed in Mopin festival? Answer Popir. 28. In the Mopin festival, people worship goddess Dash to drive away the evil spirits and for acquiring property. Answer option A. Mopin. 29. The iconic outdoor musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh is Dash. Answer option C. Zero festival. 30. Every year the Zero festival is held in the month of Dash. Answer option A. September. 31. Which festival in Manipur binds and revives the relationship between married girls and their parents? Answer option D. Ningal Chokoba. 32. In Ningal Chokoba festival, the married girls and their children are given dash. Answer option D. Grand feast and gifts. Okay. Number 33. The people of Manipur celebrate dash festival in April. Answer C. Cheraba. 34. During Cheraba, the people of Manipur climb nearest hilltops because they believe that will help them to dash. Answer option D. To rise a higher plane in life. 35. Who celebrate Chapcharkut festival? Answer option B. The people of Mizoram. Okay. 36. Chapcharkut is a dash festival in Mizoram. Answer option B. Spring. 37. Who celebrate Wangala? Important. Number A. Garoch. Okay. Option A. Garoch. 38. The Wangala is known as dash. Answer C. Have option 100 Drum festival. Okay. 39. The Wangala is celebrated in dash. Answer option D. Meghalaya. Okay. Number 40. The Wangala is known as 100 drum festival because dash. Answer होची option B. 100 drums are beaten together. 41. Wangala is a dash festival. Answer होची option B. Harvest. Okay. 42. Who beat the drums during the Wangala festival in Meghalaya? Answer होची option B. Men. Okay. 43. Who celebrate कराची पूजा? आंसर देखो ये ऑप्शन रे नाही पिला माने सो बी हबो किंतु तमे चेंज करिवो द पीपल ऑफ त्रिपुरा. ओके बही रे अछि देखिवो द पीपल ऑफ त्रिपुरा हो आंसर. ऑप्शन बी टा को चेंज करिवो मणिपुर बदले त्रिपुरा लिखिवो. ओके. नंबर 44. द कराची पूजा इज हेल्ड इन द मंथ ऑफ डैश. आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी जुलाई. 45. द कराची पूजा इज हेल्ड इन डैश. ऑप्शन बी होची आंसर ओल्ड अगरतला. 46. How long Karachi Puja held? Answer होची option A for a week. 47. How many deities are worshipped in Karachi Puja? Answer होची option C 14. 48. The dances during Karachi Puja represent dash. Answer होची option D hunting, food gathering, etc. Okay. 49. The most important festival Nagaland celebrates is dash. Answer होची मोस्तु ऑप्शन सी. ओके. नंबर 50. द मोस्तु इज सेलिब्रेटेड डैश. आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी आफ्टर द सोइंग सीजन. ऑप्शन बी. ओके. 51. व्हिच फेस्टिवल ऑफ नागालैंड इज नेम्ड आफ्टर बर्ड ऑफ द स्टेट. आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी हॉर्नबिल. वेरी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हॉर्नबिल ऑप्शन डी. 52. द हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल ऑफ नागालैंड इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन डैश. आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी डिसेंबर. ओके. नेक्स्ट 53 देखिबा द हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल ऑफ नागालैंड इज सेलिब्रेटेड फॉर डैश. आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी 10 days. ओके. 54. व्हिच वन इज इंडियाज मोस्ट कलरफुल एंड चार्मिंग फेस्टिवल. आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी हॉर्नबिल. 55. व्हाट डू द नागाज शोकेस ड्यूरिंग हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल. आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ 16 ट्राइब्स. 16. ओके ऑप्शन ए 55 शेष. 56. द मेन इन नागालैंड इन द डांसेस ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिवल शो ऑफ डैश. आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी हंटिंग एंड वेयरिंग स्किल्स. 57. डैश आर द सोल ऑफ नागा फेस्टिवल्स. आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी सॉन्ग्स एंड डांसेस. ओके. 58. Nagas preserve and pass down their oral history through dash. Answer होची option A celebration of festivals. 59. Men wear warrior costume in dash festival of Nagaland. Answer होची option C hornbill. 60. The festivals of Sikkim are based on dash. Answer होची option A Buddhism. 61. The festivals of Sikkim are celebrated as per the dash calendar. Option A Buddhist. 62. Sagadawa is a festival of dash. Option C Sikkim. Okay. 63. Which festival commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha? Option A Sagadawa. 64. Sagadawa is celebrated on the full moon day in Tibetan lunar month during dash. Option A May and June. 65. When is Losung celebrated? Answer होची option C at the end of the harvesting. 66. Chom dance is performed in dash festival. Option C होची answer Losung. Archery contest is conducted in dash festival. Option C होची answer Losung. 67 शेष. 68. Which festival marks Tibetan New Year? Answer होची option B Losar. Okay. 69. Dash festival is the festival of light like Diwali. Answer होची Tihar. Option D. Number 70. The festivals of Northeast India encourage dash. Answer होची option D cultural and artistic activities. 71. The festivals of Northeast India bring out the dash of the people. Answer होची option A natural talent. ओके तो शेष हो गला आर आंसर की देछि तो एई भिडियो रे आमे तीनोटी प्रोज ए लेटर टू गॉड एट द हाई स्कूल ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया रो एमसीक्यू बा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन कले निश्चित भाव वीडियो तुम पे हेल्पफुल हम ओके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो लाइक करो कमेंट करो एवं वीडियो को शेयर करो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आसे पर्यंत वेट करो एवं एग्जाम में प्रिपरेशन करते ऑल द बेस्ट थैंक यू गॉड ब्लेस यू